myself when I'm talking. By myself when I'm talking. I got a friend way back in London. I try to visit when I can. It's like I'm always doing something whenever I'm in town. Well, maybe I should bring her flowers, or maybe I'll pick up a pen, and then I'll write her up a letter, and then I'll send it when I can. And I'll do better to talk about anything that you want now. But I should tell you, I love the sound of myself when I'm talking, of myself when I'm talking. Of myself when I'm talking. Of myself when I'm talking.